Yeah, you're doing awesome, Susan.
Thank you. Oh, it helps that I have Burn, you know?
Yes, he's such a good boy, isn't he?
Very good. Very good. I'm so glad that he's doing really good.
Uh-huh. You're such a good girl, Birdie.
Turn it around.
Yep.
Good job. You don't need to crowd up there.
Yeah, Vern, you still got us.
Good job.
Sure. Good girl. She's like, I didn't want to do that. She's pooping. Are you my good girl? Ready? Yep. Look at Megan fucking zooming on her horse.
I know. All he wants is to just go.
Uh-huh.
Like, he literally just wants to fucking go. Is that what he was previously, a racing horse?
No, no. The only... Well, Ted might have been a racing horse, but as far as I know, the only horse that raced on this property is Ryan.
Okay. Very good. Good job. There we go. Oh, I'm so proud of you, bro. You can go this way if you want.
There we go.
I'm just trying to figure out how the hell Allie does this for fucking 20 miles.
30.
Seriously, like my thighs are already fucking hurting.
Really?
Yeah.
You got a condition.
Oh,
Step more in your left stirrup.
step more on my left.
Yes, yep. Yeah, like stand up and kind of just to your left. Ooh. No.
Okay. Okay. There we go.
I'll give you guys some space. Go ahead.